Children, let's learn what things we get from animals. That is food from animals like eggs, mutton, fish, butter, honey, cheese, yogurt, milk. Animals are useful to us. And how they are useful to us? Let us see. Eggs and meat are rich in fat and protein. Skin of animals are used to make bags, and milk is rich in protein and calcium. Now, food we get from animals are milk products, egg, honey, and meat. Hens give us eggs. What we eat? We can eat omelette or hard boil or any kind of egg product. Now, cow gives us milk. Other than milk, it gives us yogurt, cheese, and butter. Milk products are, see, children, ghee, butter, cheese, curd. These are all the milk products from cow. Goat, it gives us milk and also meat. They eat the meat of goat. Next is sheep. Sheep gives us wool, and from wool what is made? Clothes like jackets, sweaters, scarves, mufflers, etc. Now what is this, children? These are bees. Bees gives us honey. It is sweet in taste. This is silkworm. Right? The white color worm is called silkworm. And what does it give? It gives us silk. All the silk clothes are made of silk made by silkworm. Thank you for watching.